Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm absolutely fine. Today I will share you a tasty and instant recipe curd dosa. I like it very much. Required ingredients are curd 3 cups, rice flour 1 cup, salt 1 tablespoon or according to your taste. A pinch of baking soda is necessary. The first step is initially we will take a bowl, add 3 cups of curd into it, whisk it well, and then we will add 1 cup of rice flour and salt. Whisk it well. Add water basing upon the consistency. Rest this for 20 minutes. Now, on the flame, take a pan, place on it, grease it, and pour the batter. Tasty and crispy curd dosa is ready within 30 minutes. We can enjoy it with coconut chutney, even with tomato sauce also. It will be very nice. Curd dosa is ready within 30 minutes. Hi friends, welcome back to our Unpacked from. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will show you how to make jawar dosa. This is very healthy and tasty. Required ingredients are java flour 1 cup, rice flour 1 cup, green chilies, ginger, cumin seeds, curry leaves, coriander, and salt according to your taste. Take a bowl, add jawar flour and rice flour, add cumin seeds, green chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves, chopped ginger, and finally add salt and water. Mix all the ingredients very well so that there are no lumps. Rest it for 15 minutes. On the flame, place a pan, grease with oil, and pour the batter we have prepared. Cook on the two sides so that it will be very tasty and crispy. Flip the second side, cook the second side also. Welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make foxtail dosa. I like this very much. Required ingredients are foxtail millet 1 cup, urad dal half cup, bengal gram half cup, red gram half cup, soaked poha 1 cup, fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of foxtail millet into it. Now add half cup of urad dal, half cup of bengal gram, half cup of red gram, and 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Mix all these ingredients very well. Pour water, clean it. In the millets we will have dust particles, minute dust particles, so we have to clean and drain it for 2 to 3 times. Drain the water now, and at the same time repeat for the second time. Pour more water, clean it again. Drain the water. And again, now for the third time, pour the water, clean it, and drain the water. Now pour the water and soak this for 3 hours. After 3 hours, we will grind the batter. See, while grinding, I had added 1 cup of soaked poha into it. I like the taste when the poha is added. Grind it again. See, the batter is ready. This is after grinding. Now we have to ferment this for 8 hours or 10 hours. I will generally use 8 hours. You can see after 8 hours how the bubbles are coming, how it is. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of salt and we will start preparing the dosas. Place a pan, grease it and pour the batter on it. Add the oil. Let the dosa fry well. Close it. After the first side is cooked well, flip it for the second side and cook the second side also. very tasty, healthy foxtail millet dosas are ready. For weight loss, this is very much useful. Thanks for watching. Hi friends, welcome back to Evan Pakasastram. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will show you how to make meat dosa. This is a very simple and easy and quick recipe. What we need: rice flour, curd, baking soda and salt according to your taste. Very few ingredients are necessary for this. Take a bowl, add rice flour, add curd, add baking soda and add salt. Add water so that there are no lumps into it. Place a pan, grease it, pour the batter. We have to close it and it on the two sides. We have to add oil also. Scrapple the sides so that it will be easy to remove the dosa. That's it. Very tasty and yummy meal. Welcome back to Evan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make dosa with oats. It is very tasty and healthy also. Required ingredients are oats 2 cup, curd, rice flour, baking soda, chopped ginger, chopped curry leaf, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, cumin seeds and salt to taste. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of oats powder into it, add 1 cup of rice flour into it, add baking soda half tablespoon, add chopped ginger, add chopped green chilies, add chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, add chopped coriander leaves, add cumin seeds, add curd, add salt finally. Mix all of them very well, whisk it very well. You should have no lumps. Make sure that there are no lumps on it. Add water if it is necessary. You can see the consistency. The consistency should be as dosa consistency. It should not be more and it should not be less even. We have to rest this for 20 minutes. Then we will start making dosas. On the flame, place a pan on it, grease it and pour this prepared oats batter on it. Here I am wearing very small. It is very easy to eat now. So I made small dosas. Oats dosa. It is very easy. And this is very tasty also. We feel that we will not eat oats. Even it is healthy. But in this way we can eat it. Add oil. Cook it. Flip the second side. And let the both sides be cooked well. That's it. Enjoy the oats dosa with chutney, tomato sauce, whatever it is. It depends upon your taste. Cook on the both sides so that you can enjoy the taste. Healthy and tasty oats dosa is ready within 5 minutes. Hi friends, welcome back to Evan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make ragi dosa, instant ragi dosa. Required ingredients are ragi flour 2 cups, semolina 2 cups, rice flour half cup, curd, green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped cumin seeds and salt to the taste. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of ragi powder into it, add 2 cups of semolina and now add rice flour half cup and now we will add curd, 2 cups of curd into this mixture and then add chopped green chilies, finely chopped green chilies, add chopped ginger, now add cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Mix all the ingredients very well by adding water so that we will get the consistency. Adding water will mix all the ingredients very well. We have to see that there are no lumps and add water according to it, and it should be a flowing consistency. Watery flowing consistency should be achieved. Whisk very well so that you will not have any lumps. Now you can see that the mixture is somewhat watery and it is okay. There are no lumps also. Rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, on the flame, place a pan, grease it with oil, and then pour the dosa batter on this pan. Please check that the pan is hot. Cook it on the two sides. Add oil to this mixture. Add oil so that it will cook very well. Let it cook on the two sides, side 1 and side 2. Now it has been cooked on one side and now I am changing for the second side. Cook both sides so that it will be very tasty. Ragi dosa is ready in 25 minutes. Yummy ragi dosa is ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it. Hi friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. I hope everyone is fine. I'm absolutely fine. Today I will show you how to make sago dosa. Yes, dosa with sabudana. It is very tasty and easy to make. Required ingredients are soaked sago 2 cups, rice 1 cup, fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon and salt according to your taste. Initially, we will take a bowl, add sago into it, 2 cups of sago and 1 cup of rice and 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. Add water, wash it well and then soak it for 3 hours. Then take a bowl, add the sago batter 2 cups, add chopped onions 1 cup, add chopped green chilies 1 cup, chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, chopped coriander leaves and salt according to your taste. On the flame, place a pan and grease it and pour the batter. This sago dosa is very tasty and yummy. Hi friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. I hope everyone is fine. Today I will show you how to make soya dosa. Yes, soya is very healthy but we will not eat it. In the form of dosa, it will be very tasty. Required ingredients are soya powder 2 cups, rice flour 1 cup, chopped green chilies and salt. Minimum of ingredients are necessary and it is very easy to make. For batter, take a bowl, add soya powder 2 cups into it, add rice flour 1 cup into it, add chopped green chilies, add salt, add water and mix it well. Make sure that there are no lumps. Rest it for 20 minutes and then batter has been prepared. On the flame, place a pan, raise it, pour the batter on it. Finished. Within 25 minutes, we will eat soya dosa. Add oil to it. Hi friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Idli we will not eat well now, but we can make dosa with idli rava. Really, it is very tasty and very quick and easy to make it also. Yeah, I will tell you the procedure. Required ingredients are idli rava 2 cups, rice flour 1 cup, curd, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander and salt according to your taste. Take a bowl, add idli rava 2 cups, add 1 cup rice flour, add salt, add cumin seeds, add ginger, add chopped green chilies, add chopped curry leaves, add chopped coriander leaves, add curd. Mix it well. Add water and make sure that there are no lumps. Rest it for 20 minutes. On the flame, place a pan, grease it, pour the batter. Within 2 to 3 minutes, dosa will be ready and it is very tasty and yummy also. Kids who do not eat idli, make them these. They will eat very interestingly. Flip the second side. Cook both sides. Hi friends, Welcome back to Evan Pakisastam. Today I will show you how to make a simple, easy and tasty recipe, wheat dosa. We can make it with only 3 ingredients. Yes, really, it is very tasty also. Required ingredients are wheat 2 cups, rice flour 1 cup, salt according to your taste. Initially, take a bowl, add 2 cups of atta into it, add 1 cup of rice flour in it, add salt, add water and whisk it well so that there are no lumps in it. Yes, keep this roasted for 20 minutes. Take a pan on the flame, raise it, pour the batter over. Within 25 minutes, you can enjoy tasty and healthy also. This is very healthy. But you have to add a oil. You have to cook it both sides. Till on the second side. देखो इतना अच्छा स्वाद बीट डोसा is ready within 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it for more updates. Jai Hind.